Welcome to our math video called How My Teacher Does It. Today's topic is partial quotient division.
Partial quotient division is sometimes confusing to parents because it is different from the way they learned to divide when they were in school.
We call that way the traditional method.
Both ways find the same answer, so we teach both methods and then allow the students to choose which they find easiest.
Step 1. Set up your problem.
Step 2. Think of basic facts to help you get as close to that number as possible. Maybe it is an extended fact.
Which just means we expand the fact based on increased place value.
I know 4 times 6 is 24, so 4 times 60 equals 240.
Step 3. Write the number you used on the side, then as we do in traditional division, multiply the divisor by that number, then subtract.
Repeat this step until your answer when you subtract is lower than the divisor. If anything is left, that would be the remainder.
Okay, everybody, wait while I do that step. Let's see. How many times does 4 go into 8?
2.
2 times. Now I do it again. 2 times 4 equals 8. And I subtract, and my answer is 0. Is 0 lower than my divisor?
Yes.
Yes, then that's where I can stop. My last step is to add these numbers together. And what does that give me?
62.
And what's 62?
The answer.
My final answer. Can you read your last part?
Some kids find this method easier because it gets them closer to the answer in fewer steps.
Thanks for watching.